teach CBSE 10th Maths. Hey guys, this is Tina. I teach CBSE 8 Maths. Check out our videos on the playlist. Alright, now let's get into the video.
Today we are going to be learning Chapter 12 Areas Related to Circles, Exercise 12.2, 12th question. Alright, now let's read the question. To warn ships for underwater rocks, a lighthouse spreads a red colored light over a sector of angle 80 degree to a distance of 16.5 km. Find the area of the sea over which the ships are warned. So since you guys know, in this question they used lighthouse for warning the ships. Okay, for what purpose? For what purpose means to warn them from the rocks. Okay, so you guys might be wondering what's there in the rocks and all. So you guys might have seen in the sea, no, they used to be giant rocks, isn't it? So the giant rocks, no, if the ship's captain, if he is not able to see the rocks, then he might hit the rocks and the ship might get damaged. Am I right? So they should not get damaged. For that we have a lighthouse here. Okay, so for what purpose? To guide them. Okay, so the lighthouse it spreads a red colored light over a sector of angle 80 degree. Okay, so the lighthouse, no, it spreads red color light and then in an angle of 80 degree. So in which distance? So the distance is 16.5 km. So you are supposed to find the area of the sea over which the ships are warned. Okay, so on which particular area, no, of the sea, no, the ships are warned, we are supposed to find that. Okay, so to find that, first let us draw a rough figure. Okay guys, so now let us draw a rough figure. Okay, so here, okay, so first of all we are supposed to draw a lighthouse. Okay, so here I can say, so here we have a point here. Okay, so this point, no, you can assume that this is the top of the lighthouse. Okay, okay, so if this is the top of the lighthouse, let us draw the rest of the things. Okay, so now we have a lighthouse. Okay, so let us draw the ground level. So this is the ground level. Okay, so this is the ground level, this is the lighthouse. Okay, so now the lighthouse, from the top of the lighthouse, now the light spreads. Which color light? Red colored light. So the light, it is spreading from the top of the lighthouse. Okay, so how will it spread? It will spread somewhat like this, isn't it? So it will spread like this. Okay, okay, so light means, of course you might have seen in pictures, in some images, it will be somewhat like this only. Okay, alright guys, so here when it is spreading a light like this, so it is spreading with a distance of 16.5 km. Okay, alright guys, and one more thing they mentioned, when it is spreading the red light, we can see the angle made by the with this particular light, no, it is 80 degree. Okay, alright guys, so now we know all the information. So for so here, no, you can see that, so here if there is a ship, okay, okay, so the ships are just sailing on the way. Okay, so here if you find lot of rocks, so in this particular area, no, there are a lot of giant rocks. Okay, not small rocks, giant rocks. Okay, so if the ship doesn't notice that, then it will hit the rock and it will get damaged, isn't it? So if the light is not there, then they won't be able to see the rocks. Why? Because it is night time, isn't it? So just because of the light, light, no, they can see the giant rocks. Okay, so it is really a good thing to have a lighthouse. Okay, that is the use of the lighthouse. Okay, alright, now let us come back to the question. So now we are supposed to find how much we are supposed to find the area of the sea over which the ships are warned. Okay, so here you guys can see, here the light is spreading on a particular area, right? So we are supposed to find the area, okay, in which the ships are warned. Okay, so since you guys know this is a ship. Okay, so now let us find the area in which the ships are warned. How to find it? So here if you just extend the line like this, So if you just extend it like this, and then if you just complete, if you just draw something like this. Okay, so do you guys think that this light, it is forming in sector? So this is a part of a sector, am I right? So it is a part of a sector, isn't it? So you can call this part, this one as sector. Why? Because it is exactly like the sector, not exactly, but it is kind of like the sector. So we want a sector. Okay, so here you can see we got a sector, isn't it? So this portion is a sector. So since we have a sector, we are going to be applying the sector's formula, that is theta by 360 degree into pi r square. Okay, so in this areas related to circles chapter, most probably we are focusing on sectors. Okay, so I would say 95% we are just focusing on sectors, isn't it? So whenever you get a question, and then whenever you get something which is related to this lesson, that is chapter 12, just try to find the sector. Okay, it is a it is just a clue. I am just trying to give some tricks. I would like to share some tricks with you guys. Okay, why? Because most probably whenever we have a situation like this, we are supposed to see whether we have a sector or not. So when I just extended the line and when I just closed that particular part, I found out that this is a sector. So now I can apply this formula, isn't it? So now it is a great advantage, right? Just because of this, we can find the area in which the ships are want. Okay, so to find that, let us apply the formula. Okay, guys, so now let us write. So here theta, it is 80 degree, and then radius, it is 16.5 kilometer. Okay, so of course you guys know. So here this is a radius, isn't it? So okay, so when you just complete the circle, that time you will get to know this is a radius. Okay, so this is the midpoint. So here, if this is a sector, then this will be the midpoint, center point of the circle. Okay, you can just if you want, I'll just draw. So the circle, it will come like this. Okay, so if you just extend the sector like this, then you will get a circle. Okay, I didn't draw exact circle, this is just a prediction. Okay, so if you just try it, you might get it. Okay, so for your understanding, I just do something like this. Okay, so now since you guys know, for this circle, this is a radius, isn't it? So this is a radius. So likewise, I can say it is a radius. Okay, so now we are supposed to find the area of the sea over which the ships are want. Okay guys, so we are supposed to apply theta by 360 degree into pi r square. Okay guys, so now let us solve it. So theta is 80 degree divided by 360 degree into pi, we are supposed to use 3.14, isn't it? So 3.14 into r square, radius is 16.5 into 16.5. Okay, so here now first of all let us take off the point. So here it becomes 100, and here it is 10, and here it is 10. Okay guys, so now what we can do, now we can cancel 80 and 360 degree. Okay, so now let us cancel them. So we can cancel them in fourth table. Okay, so first let us cancel the zeros. So 4 2s are, it is 8, and then 9 4s are, it is 36. Okay, so now I can cancel this 9, isn't it? I can cancel this 9 and this number, that is 165. So since we don't have point, it is 165. So let us cancel it. So here, so let us cancel them in third table. So 3 3s are 9 and then 5 3s are 15. Once again, so 5 3s are 15 and then balance 1 and then again 5 3s are 15. Okay, guys, so now we have 3. So now we can cancel this 3 and this 165. We have another 165 now. Let us do that. So 1 3 is 3. So 5 5s are, I'm sorry guys. So 5 3s are, it is 15 and then balance 1. So again we have 15. So it is 5 3s are, it is 15. Okay guys, so now we just cancelled the values, isn't it? So now the only value we have is this 2, this 340 into 55 into 55. So let us write them. So 2 into 314 into 55 into 55. Okay, so and then we have one more thing here. We have 100 into 10 into 10. Okay, so when we just multiply them, we get 10,000. One second. Okay, so we get 10,000. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Okay, so now let us multiply the these values. Okay, so let us multiply these values, then only we'll be able to find the final answer. Okay, I just wrote rest of the values as it is. So now we can actually cancel the values. Okay, how means, so I can cancel this 55 and 10 in fifth table, isn't it? So 1 5 is 5, 1 5 is 5 and then 5 2s are, it is 10, isn't it? Okay, so here also we can do the same thing. So here 1 5 is 5, 1 5 is 5 and then 5 2s are 10. Okay, alright guys, so now what we can do now? So now I have 2 here, so I can cancel 314 in second table. So 1 2 is 2, 1 2 is 2, balance 1 and then 5 2s are 10, balance 1, 7 2s are 14. So here I have 2 and here also I have 2. I can actually cancel them. So let us cancel it. Okay, so now we have 157 into 11 into 11, that is 121 by 100. Okay, so when we just solve them, no, I mean when we just multiply them, we get 18997. So we get this value. Okay, and then since we have divided by 100 after after two numbers, let us put the point. Okay, why? Because here we have 1 2, so let us put point after two numbers. Okay, so now it is, since we found the area, let us write square. Okay, so here you guys might be wondering why it is kilometer. Why? Because I'll show you guys. So once again, okay, so here since it is the radius, they mentioned it in kilometer, isn't it? So we took the radius is 16.15 kilometer. So here we have only the radius value, that is in kilometer, that's why we just took this as kilometer. Okay, so I guess this is the answer. Okay, yeah, of course we found the area, then this will be the answer. Okay,
Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video, share it to your friends and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any doubt, comment me in the comment section. Catch you in the next